This is my jerk barbecue chicken crescent ring, guys. Okay? So, check it out, guys, and tell me. This is the beautiful sauce you're gonna eat it with. Or you can make a sauce of your choice. Okay? And guys, I'm telling you, this one is a hit. It's a home run. Just like them playing the games and scoring those goals. Okay, guys? This one is perfect. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. First one Str8yaad TV. One.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Str8yaad TV. In the kitchen today, guys, with another epic one. Okay guys, so today we're gonna make something nice and delicious, something easy. A quick, easy recipe, guys, for the FIFA World Cup. You can sit down and eat it and watch football all day, watch soccer all day. Okay, guys? So, we're gonna make a nice chicken barbecue jerk ring. Okay, guys? I'll tell you again. I'll make a chicken barbecue jerk ring. Okay, guys? So, over here, we have the recipe. We have 2 small Crescent Rolls. We're gonna use them, guys, to make the jerk ring. So stay tuned and watch what go on with that one, guys. Over here, I have a jerk season that I'm gonna use to season up my meat. I have a little oil here, I have a black pepper, I have a little oregano, paprika, I have powder thyme because you know this one don't need no stick in it, okay? I have a little chicken season here, Miss Maggie, and slap your mama. Barbecue sauce, guys, that we're gonna use and set everything, make it nice. So over here I have 2 nice chicken breasts. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean them up, wash them up and cut them up, guys. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. Guys, here's the 2 nice beautiful chicken breasts. They're already washed and clean, guys. Perfectly clean, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut them in 2. Because, guys, you have to stay tuned and watch this recipe. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and season it up, my peeps. I'm gonna season it up right away. Alright. So right away, we're going with a pinch of paprika, guys. Smoked paprika. A pinch of smoked paprika, okay? Pinch of oregano. We're gonna use some grind thyme, guys, some fresh grind thyme. Alright, guys, so this is the thyme. Dry thyme, guys, okay? This is the thyme. So we put the paprika, then we put the thyme. Now we're gonna put some oregano, guys. Just a little pinch of oregano on it also. Alright? Just like that. This don't call for a lot of season, guys, because you know it's chicken breast. So we're gonna flip them. Now we're gonna go in with some anti-Maggi. You know how it go, guys. Pinch, okay? Now we're gonna go in with some fresh grind black pepper. Alright. This one is very easy, guys. Very fast. A quick recipe. And I will drop the seasoning in the description below, guys, okay? So here we're going with a little slap your mama also. So, you know how it go. Alright. So, right away, we are going now, guys, with some jerk sauce, some Wakatu jerk sauce. I'm going with 1 tablespoon of sauce, guys. Alright. So, okay, my people, this is my earth seasoning. I'm gonna put on it to let it marinate for a little bit. You understand? We have flavor and everything, you know, guys. We have it up. So we have 2 stalks of scallion here, escallion, green onion, whatever you guys call it. So we're gonna cut it up on it right away. These are all flavors, guys, flavors. I have a little bit of thyme here, fresh. So I'm not gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna put it on it like that. Right away. I'm gonna use half of red onion. Right away. Okay, and least but not last but not least, we have 3 cloves of garlic, my people. We're gonna add them, you know, so everything have a full of flavor in it. Very much so. And guys, I want you to try this one at home. This one is very easy, quick recipe, nice and delicious, okay? Alright guys, so I want you to try this one at home. Don't just watch the video and don't try it. This is one of Str8yaad style, straight from out of the camp, people, okay? It's a special menu, special recipe I'm giving you guys, okay? So you see, like that, just like that. Lord boy, I want to smell it out nice. The flavors, guys, the flavors. So we're gonna sit this down for like about a 5-10 minutes, guys, because you know this will take long to do, you know. It's a quick and fast one, okay? So I cover it up and sit it down for 10 minutes, and we're gonna come right back to you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, my people, the pot is on fire, hot, okay guys? And here is the chicken breast of the season, already marinated for the time I tell you guys, over 15 minutes now, so you know it's well soaked, nice. The longer you soak it, the better it is, okay? But you know how we go. We are going to the pot right now, guys, so what we are going to do, we are going to use some oil. You can use any oil of your choice, guys. I'm just using some avocado oil, okay? Pure fresh avocado oil. So, this is like about 2 tablespoons of oil, guys, because you know we don't use too much oil around here, okay? So, get it in the pan, get the pan hot. And then we're going to go in with everything in this one shot. Okay, my people? So, let's see. Alright, good. Here it's clicking, well hot. So, we're going to go in with everything right away, guys. Everything we are going with right away. All the season, everything, one shot. Alright guys, this one is gonna be so nice, guys. You want to smell the flavor in this. Yeah, so we just glaze him on one side and then spin him over. And then you know we'll cover it up. Make it cook for a little bit. You know where I want to go. So I'm going to turn down the stove for medium high now, because it was on extra high. So we're going to cover it up now. And let the fire do the work, guys. We're going to add just a little tip of water on it. Okay, so stay tuned and watch when we're going to do that. Right now I'm letting it steam in and build its own juice for a little bit. I'm cooking for a little bit. This is chicken breast, guys, so we're not going to go too long with it, okay? We're going to cook it till it's soft and tender because we're going to shred it up also. And we're going to do step by step. So stay tuned and watch what we are doing with this one. It's going to be a banger, guys, so stay tuned. Okay, my people, so right now, let me check it out. Yeah, see? Start add its own juice, my people. So you know what we are going to do? We are going to throw a little water in the dish, rinse out this dish here. And add it on. So you know, now waste all of the great seasoning and ingredients in this bowl here. So we just throw just a little tip of water like that on it. And throw it like that. You know it have to cook perfectly, guys. See that? And we're not using no heap of water to break down the flavor. Okay? So just a little water. So we're going to flip them over again. And make them cook perfectly now, my peeps. This amount of juice can cook it. Okay? Because you know it's chicken breast, and chicken breast is very easy to cook. So stay tuned. And watch what go on. This one is going to be so nice, guys. Try it at home. Trust me, it won't run. You're gonna love this one. Alright, so I'm gonna cover it up now and let the fire continue to do the work. So stay tuned and watch what I want. I'll tell you how much minutes I cook the chicken breast for in the description, guys. You're gonna go down there and you're gonna look in there and you're gonna see all the ingredients in the description. Okay, my people, so right now we are gonna check out the pot. See, guys, this is what I talk about. I need it to come nice and soft. It's getting there. See, it's getting there. So I like the next 2 more minutes. Yeah, see, it's getting there, my peeps. I'm gonna take it off. Alright. I'm gonna flip it again. Yeah. And then we're gonna take it off. Alright. So next 2-3 minutes, guys, we're gonna take it off. We're gonna thread them out and we're gonna fix them up and show you what's going on. So stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Let me turn off the fire also, my peeps. I'm gonna take them out now and put them in our bowl, okay? So these we put them like about 12 minutes, guys. 6 minutes on each side. Right? So right now, my peeps. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna basically do now is thread it up. Okay? Like you see I'm doing right here, just threading it up. Get the next fork, 2 fork right there. It up like that, my peeps. See that? Yeah. Just thread it up, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna thread up all of it and come right back to you guys. So stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Okay, my people. So see what I'm doing? I forget the fork. Fork take too long. I don't have time for that. This is like pulled chicken. Just use the hand and thread it up like that, guys. See? Quick and fast. Easier. But make sure it's cool, guys. Because if it's hot, it's gonna burn you. Okay? So do it to the temperature you can manage on your hand. And don't grab it up too much if it's hot. Just take time and break it apart like that. Okay? Very quick, easy. What I'm showing you. Very quick and easy, okay? So stay tuned. So okay, my people, see there? This is the chicken breast, guys. It's about 2.5 cup. A chicken breast, 2.5, 3 cup like that. Okay? Then we're going with some we can't go in with this right away. We're going with some barbecue sauce. 1 cup of barbecue sauce, guys. Any choice of barbecue sauce that you want to use. It doesn't matter. Use your choice you want. Or the choice you like. Okay? So 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Get everything out there. Everything. Okay? When I say everything, I mean everything. Even on the spoon. Alright, my peeps. Alright, now. We're going with a small chopped onion. Okay, guys, so we're going in with it right now too. Alright. So right now what we're gonna do is mix this well, my people. Mix it around well and properly. Get everything coated with the onion and the sauce, okay? Alright, the people, just like that. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so what we do is open it. So we unravel it. You know, you have to find the end and keep turning it like that. Turn it. So turn it like that. Let me remove this until I'm ready for it, guys. I just need to open it perfectly. I don't want it to tear up. Okay? So take your time and you do like that. Just take your time and open it. Okay? See? Just like that. Alright? Just like we open this one here. Just like that. Alright? I'll show you how I do mine, guys. So right now, I'm going to start from the corner. So right now, I'm going to need the center back inside here. Alright? Now I'm going to go ahead and unravel it. Just like that. I'm going to lay one in around here. Go ahead, unravel this side. Guys, you know you gotta work with this. You gotta know how to work with this, okay? Gotta be gentle. So, okay, my people. Right now, see it here? So we have it like a moon shape, like a something like a star, guys. So what we are going to do, we are going now and we are going to put all the way chicken inside, okay guys? So stay tuned and watch what we are dealing with. Okay, my people, so see there, look in the bowl, it's empty, okay? Everything is done. So, right now, that's what we're doing, get rid of that bowl. So right now, guys, we're gonna spread the cheese, the mozzarella cheese on it, equally around, okay? And guys, I'm gonna give you a tips for making this one. When you're making it, please don't take out the dough too fast from the fridge. Take it out when you're almost ready to use it, okay? Because you know if you're using this in heat temperature and hot time and have it outside, it will break on you and then it will explode and then it's kind of hard to get through with it though. So just a crazy tip I'm giving you, quick and fast, telling you the right way how to do the thing, okay? So all we're doing is put the cheese on it, my people, like that. See? Putting all the cheese in it. Alright? So now we can move this. Alright? All I gotta do is just fold them over like that, okay? Just fold them over. If I have a broader pan, it will be much easier for me, okay? But my pan is not so big, you understand? So I gotta work with what I have. So I'll just fold them over. You can fold them over and stick them. Just like that. Okay? Just fold them over. Very easy. Fold them over and drop them inside. That's what we're talking about, okay? And like I say, I'm just gonna ease down this part to lock it in. Just like that. Put them under and lock them in. Because my pan is not wide enough, guys. If it was wide enough, I would be perfect. Okay, I would make a bigger one. But the pan is not so wide, so I have to make it what I have with right now. Okay? Okay, guys, we're gonna stick it in the oven at 375 for 25 minutes, guys. So stay tuned, watch what's going on. Like I said, if I have a broader pan, I would make a beautiful one, more beautiful for you. But my pan is small, I decided to make it today, guys. So I'll make a different version, because I can make them in all different type, okay? So stay tuned, watch what's going on. One Str8yaad TV, I have to give this one a thumbs up, guys. This one is special for the Super Bowl. It's special for the Olympics. It's special for any games you're watching, guys. This is a hit for the FIFA World Cup. You sit down and you eat it, guys. Take a slice and you watch your TV, okay? And watch who is the best side and where they're going in the game, okay? So stay tuned, watch what going on. One Str8yaad TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this one, guys. And try this one at home. Trust me, you're gonna like it. Alright? So I'm gonna stick it in the oven, guys, so get ready. The oven is hot, it's at 375. And we're gonna stick it in for 25 minutes, guys. So stay tuned, watch what going on, guys. The oven's already hot. So I'm going ahead and put it in just like that, my peeps. Okay, and we're going to check on it again. 25 minutes time, guys. So stay tuned and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And try it at home. Tell me how you think about this one. One love, Str8yaad TV, up and running. Okay, guys, now it's finished. We're going to turn off the oven. And we're going to take it out, guys. Stay tuned and watch what I'm going. This is a nice, delicious meal, guys. Here we have it. Nice golden brown. Nice and juicy, guys. You see that? That is what we're talking about, guys. So we're gonna have to let that sit down and cool for a little bit. And then we're gonna cut it open, guys, and just see the perfection. Stay tuned and watch what I go on, and remember to give this one a thumbs up. Like and share this one, guys. Comment and subscribe to this one. This is my style, okay? Okay, guys. This is it, guys. This is the nice one I'm telling you about. This is a special out of Str8yaad. Come. So, guys, listen to crust. Listen to the crust sound. You hear that? Flaky. Crispy. Nice. Ready to eat, guys. Trust me. I gotta let it sit down and let it cool a little bit, guys, before I cut it. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. This one is the nice one to sit down and watch when you're watching the game, guys. Okay? You can cut a slice, sit down and watch who is getting whack. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so this is my jerk barbecue chicken crescent rings, guys. Okay? So check it out, guys, and tell me. This is the beautiful sauce you're gonna eat it with, or you can make a sauce of your choice. Okay? And guys, I'm telling you, this one is a hit. It's a home run. Just like them playing the games and scoring those goals. Okay, guys, this one is perfect for you to sit down on your couch, cut a slice, watch the Olympics, guys. Okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna cut it for you guys and show you how it goes. Guys, you can use a knife also, but this is also good. Okay? So, okay, my people, look at it. Look how nice and juicy it is, guys, with those nice jerk barbecue chicken stuff inside of it, guys, with those beautiful cheese, those onions. Guys, the flavor that I season it with, it's amazing, guys, with this taste. Trust me. When you dip it with this sauce and eat it, guys, you don't want to stop eating it. You will eat the whole pie. I'm telling you, guys, it's so delicious. It's very tasty. So, guys, you need to try it, guys. All you're going to do, like I said, just take it up, dip in the sauce like that, and take a nice bite, my people. Guys, see a nice bite I take off of it, guys. It's nice. It's so delicious, guys. Full of flavor. Tasty. Guys, you want to try this at home. You won't miss anything, guys. You won't regret this one. Try it step by step, guys. And follow the procedure. You will do exactly just perfect, guys. Check out it, guys. And do it. One Str8yaad TV, guys. In the kitchen, cooking up all different recipes for you guys for this FIFA World Cup is going on, guys. It's perfect for you to sit down and watch it for the FIFA World Cup and go and eat and go and watch game. Okay? So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Str8yaad TV always here making some delicious meal, guys, and you need to really try them, okay? So one love, all my viewers and my subscribers, thank you guys for watching. We out.